the socks not there, no ever. At last, African restaurant And don't forget, I see fire everywhere, pepper everywhere, fire everywhere, pepper everywhere, Chineke mo, Chineke mo, Chineke mo. Everybody's saying shit right now in my life. Those bastards coming on my life to cap nonsense. And they do listen, I know they see on that. But bro, if you know you are a bastard and you don't like me and you're on my life, bro, fuck you, bitch. Fuck you, bitch. Fuck you, bitch. And I will continue to say it and I'll say it again. If you say you hate me, if you say you don't like me, but bro, the fact that I'm saying this in Cape Town right now is really giving me joy. I'm not saying it in Nigeria. I'm saying it in Cape Town. You're roasting in Nigeria right now. Yeah, someone they kill you for Nigeria right now. If you never chop right now, but bro, I take Cape Town chopping live and I put it.
Draggers, toxic fans, so now don't come again. Okay, so guys, yeah, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Gist Next is where you get all-round entertainment gist. So if you've not subscribed, just quickly hit the subscribe button and make sure you click on the notification bell to get notified anytime I post new videos. Okay, so guys, it be like say fans and like after this housemate actually left Nigeria. Okay, we all know that normally they get some fans where we say they go they attack anyhow, but not like fans just they come for everybody. Because I remember I was watching Alison's live yesterday, and at some point I thought it was like I have to go off, like like they were just saying baba things, and doing it was there. So it was like, what is going on here? Like, why is this life so toxic? Like, why am I getting bad energy from you? And Alison was like, she has never had that kind of encounter on her life, but and this is getting too much. Like even Alison, Amaka also was doing a live, and at some point she was like, if you do this one, I will block you. No toxicity. It's all about love and light. I'm like, I'm fans waiting they happen now, and waiting they do now. Like people, like they really came for this faves, like they are really like the thing they dragging too much, guys. Like I'm like, okay, fine. If you don't like this person, you have a fave, go on your fave's live now. So anytime the person they do, you go they sweet, you go they talk with the person. Not like you go to someone's life, like the person, a housemate you never liked, you just go there to go and be spreading those your bad energy happen. And guys, there's what we call boundaries. If you don't like somebody, don't be all up in their space now. Leave them. Don't be by force to join person live now. I what do you guys feel? Phyna also, like she was ranting, she said it more like fuck yeah, you know, say Phyna not get filter for her. She was saying a lot of things like I beg, if Phyna no like me, this one, that, like waiting they happen, guys. These housemates, the funny thing, like they are in Cape Town, they are having the time of their life, they are enjoying themselves. So all of Phyna na keypad wordy or anything I want to talk now online, I go they talk. And the funny thing is that if I see this housemates real life, I don't feel do anything. So all these things, like I really just wish the housemates to just like, well, you can't really ignore that kind of thing because it's all up in your face. Now imagine when you're having a live session and you're like communicating with your fans and you see some kind of hate speech, like there's no how they would have to like react to it, like because I would have like they should just fashion them, but and that kind of thing they pain, and like you're spreading love and light and somebody just in your comment section and like you know what some fans like doing, like they're in one person like well show us Bella, show us Sheila, show us this one, like why you no go that person page when they say show me yourself, you go to someone's page, and if the person, if from another housemate, so like you're asking for a particular housemate from another person and the person did not show you, like get away, your life is boring, you're this one, this one, like guys making her calm down, like what's they worry now? Anyhow guys, your housemates are there in Cape Town enjoying themselves. Okay, they're actually at a Wakanda restaurant, like a Nigerian restaurant. I think that at some point she was like, but she don't tell. I say na cream they give her since, but now she go get her and chop better food, guys. So what are your thoughts on this? All these things that fans are doing, like do you feel this right? Obviously it's not right. So this fans to just take a chill pill, and if you're not happy with your life, just find somewhere, go sit down. Don't come and spread all this your bad energy on somebody's life. Well, sure guys, I've come to the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and leave your comments. I'd like to know your thoughts on this matter at hand. So I come back again, guys. It's bye for now.